Stop it right there. You won't believe what happened to me today. That's right, everyone. My radiator cracked on me. Mechanic took about 4 to 6 hours he had to replace the whole radiator. So I'm stuck at the TA, can't move. Yeah, so pre-trip your truck. You don't want to be in the situation I am, sitting here for 6 hours, not having nothing to do but sleep, eat and sleep. That's it. Luckily I was able to make it to a TA. The truck started acting up. The exit that I came up to, it had a TA there. It went to performance mode where it was about to shut down on me. So from that point on, I just coasted on in, got to the fuel island right before it shut out, and just put some more coolant in it and took it easy to the shop.